Building healthy bones is extremely important. Minerals are incorporated into your bones during childhood, adolescence, and early adulthood. Once you reach 30 years of age, you have achieved peak bone mass. If not enough bone mass is created during this time or bone loss occurs later in life, you have an increased risk of developing fragile bones that break easily. Today's video will discuss 5 natural ways to build healthy bones. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Fortunately, many nutrition and lifestyle habits can help you build strong bones and maintain them as you age. Here are 5 natural ways to build healthy bones. 1. Eat lots of vegetables. Vegetables are great for your bones. They are one of the best sources of vitamin C, which stimulate the production of bone-forming cells. In addition, some studies suggest that vitamin C antioxidant effects may protect bone cells from damage. Vegetables also seem to increase bone mineral density, also known as bone density. 2. Perform strength training and weight-bearing exercise. Engaging in a specific type of exercise can help you build and maintain strong bones. One of the best type of activity for bone health is weight-bearing or high-impact exercise, which promotes the formation of new bone. 3. Consume enough protein. Getting enough protein is important for healthy bones. In fact, about 50% of bones is made of protein. Researchers have reported that low protein intake decreases calcium absorption and may also affect rates of bone formation and breakdown. 4. Eat high calcium foods throughout the day. Calcium is the most important mineral for bone health, and it's the main mineral found in your bones. Because old bone cells are constantly broken down and replaced by new ones, it's important to consume calcium daily to protect bones structure and strength. 5. Get plenty of vitamin D and vitamin K. Vitamin D and vitamin K are extremely important for building strong bones. Vitamin D plays several roles in bone health, including helping your body absorb calcium. Achieving a blood level of at least 30 nanogram per milliliter is recommended for protecting against osteopenia, osteoporosis, and other bone diseases. How you build healthy bones? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.